Good morning, friends. For your morning bin today, you're going to need your color by code. Now, I'm going to remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. Okay, friends, then you're going to need a few crayon colors. So first, I see the word D-A-Y. This word is D-A, day. Anytime you see that word, you're going to color it B-L-A-C-K, black. All right, our next word is T-H-I-S, this. Anytime you see that word, you're going to color it B-L-U-E, blue. Our next word is S-H-E, she. Anytime you see that word, you're going to color it Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. And our last word is I-S, is. Anytime you see that word, we're going to color it P-I-N-K, pink. We'll do one together. Look at this top here, right here. It says S-H-E, that sight word is she. Whenever we see that word, we're coloring yellow. All right, my friends, you are going to do the rest of the color by your code on your own, and Mrs. Newlands and I will see you in a few minutes.